How to change TikTok country location. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. So to be able to change your TikTok country location, simply go to your profile over here, click on the three lines on the top right or the hamburger icon, and click on settings and privacy. Now in this page, locate your account. Now it's typically going to be the first option over here at the top. So simply click on account over here and you're going to click on account information. Now over here, you will be able to see information about your account, of course, and you can see here account region. So it's typically initially set based on the time and place of registration, but you could easily change this by simply selecting this and then simply locate the location that you want to change it to. So let's go with United States. You could select that and you will be able to easily change your region. But as you can see here, there are requirements for changing it, such as you must recently use TikTok in United States for at least 60 days. You need to wait for data maintenance to complete in the region, and so on and so forth. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.